Hi, I'm Kelsey with Peacock Family Chiropractic, a MaxLiving office in Fishers, Indiana. Today I'm going to show you how to make some zucchini and goat cheese mini muffins, egg muffins. I'm going to be using 6 eggs, 1/4 a cup of water, 1/4 tablespoon sea salt, and 1 zucchini, 2/3 chopped up and 1/3 sliced, and about 1/2 cup of crumbled goat cheese. So first I'm going to be mixing the eggs, water, sea salt, and then I'll add in the zucchini. Okay? Okay, so next I'm gonna add in the zucchini that's been chopped up, 2/3 cup. Whenever possible, I go organic with the zucchini. Zucchini can be genetically modified if it's not organic. And then my eggs, I prefer free range or pasture raised eggs as well. Okay, and that's my oven. You wanna heat your oven to 350 degrees. After I scoop these into each container, I'm gonna add a little bit of goat cheese and a little bit of zucchini on top to each one. And I'm gonna bake them for typically 15 to 18 minutes if they're regular size muffins. I'm using really small muffin tins, so I'm going to be baking them for just like 8 to 10 minutes. I'll check them and see if they're done. So these were really good, but if you don't like zucchini, you could also do red pepper or just onion, mushroom, another veggie of your choice, and enjoy very similarly with a similar recipe. So, all right, enjoy.